Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to get the length of the username. So basically a user is going to type their name into an entry box and we shall return the length of that name. So I'm going to create a subroutine. Sub here, and let's just make that a little bit bigger. And yeah, it's going like that. Okay, and I'm going to call this enter name. Create a scalar variable now called name. Assign it to prompt, which will get the user input, and tell the user what to do. Enter your name. Okay, now I'm going to create another scalar, which is going to be name length. I'm going to assign it to the name up here that we've used, dot chars characters, and then we're going to print it out. So we're going to print name length, and that's going to be scalar name length. Okay, so all we have to do is call our program, which is going to be called enter name, then save it, and then let's run it. Okay, let's just go in a little bit there. So we're going to run it. We're going to call it Raku. The name of the program is practice.raku. Hit enter. Okay, enter your name. So Dave. Name length is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it is. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. Hope it's been useful. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. And I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.